Hello, this is Jerry D in Tennessee. I had a coworker to convert a bunch of Word documents to PDFs. You can open PDFs or Word documents rather in Word and save as PDFs, but if you've got a whole folder, that could be time consuming. So I had a coworker that needed a quick and dirty way to do this, and we could have wrote a program. But you can also do this if you have Word installed on your desktop, which is a requirement for this task. Is You could run cscript, a cscript script. So one of the things to make this work is you need to add a dot slash so it will work in your current working directory when you cd into the folder in your path on your system. And then you will also need to take and put run your command prompt. When you open your command prompt to cd into the directory to run the bat file, you will need to run that as administrator so it has the right proper privileges to access the files and write from the script. So that being said, let's show the script. So started out, and I'm going to give a link down below this video where you can download the scripts to use. That way you don't have to create your own. Just download from my GitHub site. So it's using the ActiveX object, scripting.filesystem object, and then you set up a doc path, and then the doc path turned into a object. So then you need to have a PDF path, and all you're doing is changing doc to PDF. So you could go down in this section, you do a try statement, and you use create an object Word, and you tell it to use Word application. But when it uses the Word application, you don't want it to launch Word and show the document, so you set this to false, to object Word.visible equals false. So you create an object doc, which will get the doc path, and set a format of 17, and it's just as it's going down, you can see what it's doing. So it's going to open the doc, it's going to save it, and I've created this in a .js file as per the original document that I saw how to do this. Now, I've got echo off so you don't get a bunch of stuff in this bat file. You set echo off so you don't get a lot of unnecessary messages and stuff in the document, the PDF document you're creating. And then the bat script is going to, for every docx, it's going to run this CS script and pass this JS file to CS script, and it's going to process all the files with all the docx extensions. And then next it's going to do a for a .doc extension. My guess, I didn't try it. You could probably use .text because Word will open a .text file as well. So it's fairly simple setup. And let's clear. And then I'm going to run it and show a demo of it running. It was waiting for me to hit enter. I thought I'd already hit enter, but apparently not. So you'll see some messages as it creates each document. And if I go in here to the folder, find the folder here. So here you see the Word doc that's named Task to create PDF documents from Word. And this is actually where I copied the original. Give it a chance to open. Article, and I'm going to put the link to the original article that I found here. I didn't feel that the author of the article put enough details because there's some people may not be tech savvy and might want to do this, and there's some details he left out, like the fixing the path to where it'll process from the current directory that you're in and running as admin when you run the command line. He's just clicking. He's wanting you to double click, and I'd rather just open a command prompt as admin, and that way. Um, you're in the right directory, you set your environment up right, and it should work the first time. Just double clicking on the bat file may not get you the result that you want. But this is the actual original Word document I created from the article. And again, I'm going to put the link to this article in the description and the GitHub repo that I've created with this script. So let's close this up. And I'm going to go open this up now, the PDF. Thought it was going to open. I guess I had to triple click it. All right, so here's an exact copy, but it's a PDF of the Word document that I had created. And you can see the path to the original blog is right here. But I'm keeping that for safekeeping because every now and then stuff like this comes up, and this is like a tool that you want to stick off to the side in your toolbox if you get a quick and dirty. Somebody asks you, "Hey, can you convert all these Word documents to PDFs?" And then, like I said, you could probably do the same script and you can just add another line to convert .txt files to PDFs. Like I said, I didn't try it, but I expect that will work since Word will also open PDF or a TXT files. So, and you could probably, since Word will open up PDF files, um, I guess you might be able to go the other direction too, but I won't guarantee it. But anyway, just in case somebody's come across this and you might come across this article and maybe have problems getting this article, this batch script to work from the article. Those two little details that I wish you'd have mentioned in there, which I've been an IT guy since the 80s, so I knew how to set up my environment. I keep my environment set up to where I can run from a current directory, and my path will look in my current directory if I'm running some quick and dirty script. But they left that little detail out, and otherwise, it was a great article. This works right out of the box for modern Word files. Now, you do have to have Microsoft Word 2010 or above, or you're going to have to install this plugin that he mentioned, and I'm not going to go into that because I don't have an old version of Word. A lot of offices or a lot of IT shops are probably going to have the most current version of Word, I would imagine. But anyway, I just wanted to throw this video out there and let you folks know. And again, I'm going to have all the links out on the GitHub in my readme.md file. And I hope this helps somebody out if you're in a crunch and you need to do something just real quick and dirty conversion. This is a neat little trick to know to do it. All right, with that, I'm going to end the video. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video.